For us, it is something like heaven on earth. Really, you relax sitting here among the trees. It looks so nice, and one becomes so delighted to see all the creations by Kiran Sujan.